Every single day, giant factories produce millions of colorful M&Ms using massive high-speed machines. Inside this giant factory, chocolate transforms into one of the world's most famous candies. The journey begins with cocoa beans harvested from large tropical farms. Inside each cocoa pod are the beans used to create rich chocolate. Thousands of tons of ingredients are stored inside the massive factory.
The beans are carefully dried before chocolate production begins.
Next, giant roasting machines unlock the deep chocolate flavor. The roasted beans are cracked and separated for processing. Massive grinders transform cocoa into silky liquid chocolate. Fine sugar is prepared to create sweetness and candy shells. Automated systems transport ingredients through the factory continuously.
Milk ingredients help create a smooth, creamy chocolate center.
Every ingredient moves through a carefully controlled production system. Quality checks begin before candy production even starts.
Advanced systems carefully monitor ingredient quality and moisture levels.
Now the factory begins creating the chocolate used inside every M&M's candy. The melted chocolate flows continuously through giant production systems.
Powerful mixers keep the chocolate perfectly smooth and consistent.
Every movement is carefully controlled for perfect candy texture. The massive factory operates continuously to produce millions of candies daily. Tiny chocolate centers begin forming automatically at high speed.
Advanced machines shape every chocolate center with incredible accuracy. Cooling tunnels help harden the chocolate before coating begins. The chocolate centers are now ready for their colorful candy shells.
Liquid chocolate is piped into precise drops. On a conveyor, they solidify into centers. Next, they tumble in a rotating drum. Here, colored syrup creates the signature shell. Now the chocolate centers enter the most satisfying part of the factory.
Huge spinning drums keep every candy moving continuously.
Special syrup coatings begin forming the famous candy shell. As the candies rotate, thin shell layers begin building slowly. Massive automated systems coat millions of candies every hour. Each rotation adds another thin layer to the shell. Bright colors are added carefully during the coating process. Color coatings give M&Ms their iconic appearance. The spinning motion helps create perfectly smooth candy shells. Slow polishing movements improve the shell texture layer by layer. Automated pumps deliver coating syrup continuously throughout the factory.
Warm airflow helps harden the candy shell during rotation.
Carefully controlled air systems dry the shell evenly on every candy.
The shell becomes smoother and stronger with every stage.
The factory operates like a perfectly synchronized candy machine. By now, the famous glossy candy shell is nearly complete. Next comes the polishing stage that creates the final shine.
A special polishing layer gives each candy its reflective finish.
Millions of candies move continuously through the production line. Every candy is polished until the shell looks perfectly smooth.
The colorful candies are now ready for final inspection and printing.
Advanced inspection systems check every candy for imperfections. Any imperfect candies are removed automatically by robotic systems. Now the famous white M logo is ready to be added. The candies now pass through a printer, which applies the iconic M logo. Next, a quality control station inspects each candy, removing any defects. Finally, the candies are sorted and packaged, ready for shipment. This tiny logo is printed onto millions of candies every single day. This tiny logo is printed onto millions of candies every single day. Special food-safe ink creates the famous white M symbol. Advanced machines print thousands of logos every minute with incredible accuracy. After printing, the candies continue moving through the automated production line. Every section of the factory operates in perfect synchronization.
Millions of candies flow continuously through giant conveyor systems.
Automated scanners inspect every candy in real time. Robotic systems instantly remove candies that do not meet factory standards. Only perfectly shaped candies continue through the process. Automated scanners inspect every candy in real time.
Robotic systems instantly remove candies that do not meet factory standards.
Only perfectly shaped candies continue through the process. Huge storage systems temporarily hold millions of finished candies.
The candies are carefully measured before packaging begins. Now the candies move into one of the fastest packaging systems in the factory.
Packaging materials are shaped automatically at high speed. Each package is filled with carefully measured amounts of candy.
High-speed sealers protect the candies inside airtight packaging.
Freshly packaged candies continue toward final inspection. The giant factory can package millions of bags every day. Robotic systems organize every package with incredible speed and precision. Automated systems prepare cartons for worldwide shipping.
The packaged candies are secured carefully before shipping.
Inside the warehouse, millions of candy packages wait for delivery.
Massive logistics systems keep the factory running continuously.
The candies are now fully packaged and ready to leave the factory. Automated packaging ensures every M&M's bag is filled with precision. In the warehouse, forklifts and workers prepare shipments for global delivery, finally ready for customers. Every day, millions of M&M's packages leave the factory for stores around the world. Once loaded, the candies begin their journey across the country. Massive logistics networks help deliver candies quickly and efficiently. Regional distribution centers organize shipments for local stores.
Advanced warehouse systems direct millions of packages every day.
Every package is tracked automatically using digital systems. From here, smaller trucks transport the candies directly to stores.
Soon, the candies arrive at supermarkets and retail stores.
Store employees prepare the candy packages for shelf stocking.
The shelves are organized carefully for customers around the world. The shelves are organized carefully for customers around the world. Each colorful package is designed to stand out instantly. Finally, the candies reach millions of people every single day. Inside every package are perfectly polished chocolate candies.
The crispy shell protects the smooth chocolate center inside.
Every candy represents thousands of precise factory movements. For millions of people, these candies become part of everyday moments. Behind every package is one of the world's most advanced candy factories. Even now, millions more candies are still being produced. Here, the final touches are applied, ensuring every M&Ms is perfect. This vast operation produces millions of candies every day. The finished candies are packaged, ready for the world. From one giant factory, M&Ms travel to every corner of the world.